Hello and good afternoon, everyone. We are here at RAI 2025 and we are having Mr. Akash, founder Sunsathi, with us. Let's start this conversation knowing more about their one-day experience from RAI, what showcasing projects here, and what are their future plans, what else they have for our viewers.
Hello everyone, myself Akash Marotkar, founder and managing director, Sunsathi Solar Private Limited. We are in the industry from the last 10 years. We have more than the 10 years of experience in the solar industry by the name of Sunset Group of Company. This is the system concern company, that is the Sunsathi Solar Private Limited. We are the Central India's leading solar inverter manufacturer from the 1 kilowatt to 125 kilowatt. In the recent area, we launched the 125 kilowatt of solar inverter that we can see here. Here is we put the innovative technology. We enlarged the MPPT size from the 7 MPPT to 9 MPPT. We are the only one in the India those who come with the 9 MPPT inverters. In the recently we launched the hybrid inverter from the range of 3.3 kilowatt to 30 kilowatt. In a low voltage we are coming with the 3 kilowatt, 5 kilowatt and 8 kilowatt. In a 3 phase we are coming with the 5 kilowatt, 10 kilowatt, 15, 20 and 25 and 30 kilowatt. Our inverter is also compatible with the lead acid battery and lithium ion battery also. In on grid we have the complete range from the 1 kilowatt to 6 kilowatt in a single phase and a 3 phase from 5 kilowatt to 125 kilowatt. Our plant is located based on the Amravati, Maharashtra, from 150 km from the Nagpur. Also, our corporate office in Pune, Maharashtra. Our manufacturing capacity is about the 5,000 unit. We can manufacture in the monthly capacity, and we have the team size of near about 150 people in our factory. Those will be manufacture the good quality of solar inverter in our in-house manufacturing. We do the complete testing in-house, and we have all the complete testing facility at our plant. We do the near about the 20 to 25 testing in our plant to test all the product in a robust condition. So we have all the equipments regarding testing facility, which is in our in-house facility.
What are your roadmap for upcoming years?
In upcoming years, we also want to go more than 50 kilowatt of hybrid inverter, because you see where is the transformer capacity is fulfilled in the India. So using people are using the battery storage system. So we are much more interested. We are the innovative people to introduce the more than 50 kilowatt capacity of hybrid inverter up to 125 kilowatt. In the upcoming years, we will introduce the 100 kilowatt, 80 kilowatt, 125 kilowatt hybrid inverter. Yes.
Thank you so much, sir, for joining us today.
Yes, thank you so much.